Hello, I'm Melanie Stegman. I'm a biochemist and I'm the owner of Molecular Jig Games. I worked as a PhD biochemist in a lab for many years and spent many hours in a lab. Basically, I came late to every social event I was invited to for 10 years. And when I got there, everyone would say, "What are you doing in the lab all the time?" So I would try to explain, but I couldn't get past the first sentence. Their eyes would glaze over. I would say, well, there's a cell that has a receptor, and that receptor binds to a protein, and then cancer. But I couldn't even get to that second sentence. So cells, receptors, and proteins are concepts that are too abstract to grasp in a sentence for the average person. But these concepts are everyday biology. We use these all the time. I make decisions to take vitamins, or to try a new allergy medicine, or a new blood pressure medicine, or cancer. I need to make decisions whether to vaccinate my children, or to eat GMO food, or I need to make decisions whether to vote for GMO food regulations, or whether other people should vaccinate their kids, or regulations for the environment. If my decisions are not well informed, I can't make responsible decisions. So the plan is to get the average American familiar with the concept cell, receptor, and protein, so they can read the material they need to read to understand the proteins and cells that they need to make decisions about. So my innovation is to use video games to teach. Commercial video games have spent the past couple of decades figuring out how to teach complex concepts to a lot of people. We're bringing our video games to the commercial market. The commercial mobile video game market is potentially huge. Games like Plague Incorporated, for example, did really well, selling 12 million copies in 2012 and 13. The problem with the mobile market is how to be heard. We have a plan, a strategy for being heard. We will market our games to teachers, parents, science fans, and we'll get the downloads that we need from that audience to be noticed in the App Store. And we're also Apple-like. We fit their model. Will be iPad, Apple, iTunes exclusive, and then we're also a learning game. We're what we're looking for. Our market is also unique because we're hitting older kids and older adults with a science game. If you want to make a fun racing game, you need to let the player play with the physics. Let them roll the car. Let them skid out on the corners. We can do that with biochemistry. My game has already been accepted into Gamescape, MagFest, Seattle Indie Expo. We're making a game where you get to play with the fundamentals of molecular biology, and it's fun. We also have experience evaluating games. I have a peer-reviewed, controlled study showing learning and also confidence gains. People who play the games feel more confident in their ability to read cell biology. So we're confident we can make this game. We have a Unity developer, an artist, sound designer, and we're doing the one key thing you need to do to make a good game, and that is iterate. Find the fun, keep looking for it, and throw away your designs until you find that fun. Our goal, 3 games in the hands of teachers in the next 6 months, and those 3 games on the Apple App Store within 8 months. We're going to keep putting out games and funding our way that way. If you want to find out more about us, it's molecularjig.com. If you want to read our research, if you want to see our business plan or videos of our games there. If you want to collaborate or support us, molecularjig.com. Thanks.